Hello friends, my name is Michael, and today I want to brief you. There are a lot of people who have been asking me about the maize milling machines, and I have always urged my followers and friends, if you want to enter into a manufacturing or processing business, ensure you have some good capital, because I don't want you to get the machine from me and tomorrow you say, what, Michael, this is a heavy business. Every individual who is doing business in this world knows some specific dynamics that you people who are outside business do not actually know. Some of the things can be adaptable. You can learn them as you grow, but most of the things can actually act as a setback for your business. So ensure you get practical knowledge. First, ensure you associate yourself with someone doing the kind of business you want to do, so that you should not waste money in the mistakes that you're going to make. You learn, take time to learn. Most people today don't want to learn, they want to risk money and see the outcomes when there is an opportunity of learning from existing businessmen outside there. So ensure you associate yourself with someone in a specific business that you want to do. Get the concept, learn the dynamics, learn the language, learn the procedures, learn how things are done before risking your money. So this is my last call to people who are interested in the maize milling business. My goal here is not to just get money from you as when you're buying machines, but my goal is to see successful businessmen and women on this from this platform. So ensure that you have enough capital before you set into commercial maize milling business. This business requires you some reasonable capital. I want fear to say that if you are a person who has 10 million Uganda shillings, I don't encourage you to enter into commercial maize milling. Don't enter into this business, because machines will waste your money and you may not actually achieve the exact intended goal. If you want to enter into commercial maize milling business and profit from it, at least struggle to have some reasonable amount of money. It involves two businesses in one. One, you'll enter into a commercial production, getting products from raw materials up to finished products. Then secondly, you will need a stocking idea. First, you need to stock raw materials so that, and those are maize, to take you from the season when people are harvesting up to the time when they are harvesting the next season. Then also there is stocking of maize, distribution channels that requires proper transport system. Not just with your motorbike, you might not manage to distribute this maize flour commercially if you don't have better means of transport. And also you will need somewhat advanced machines, not these small machines that makes half a ton per day. It might not be easy for you to enter into commercial production. So in simple terms, ensure you have reasonable amount of money before you enter into commercial maize production. Thank you so much for watching me. My name is Michael, and I'll always be here to talk to you. If you have any concerns about the maize milling business, commercial maize milling business, feel free to put your concern in the comment section and I will be grateful to respond to you. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye-bye.